Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Polo SE in metallic black. With a great low mileage of just 15,711, the SE model comes with plenty of great features, including the 15-inch alloy wheels. You've also got the grey and black checked cloth interior, the touchscreen as well with the Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio and a CD player. This particular model features the 1 litre engine with Blue Motion technology, and just coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you've also got the benefit of reverse parking sensors as well. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle or would like to book a test drive or a viewing, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.